Hey guys, Larry the tractor guy here. It is harvest time and it is like go time. And we've got a issue with a 60 series combine where mice have gotten in the cab and completely destroyed one of the main harnesses in the cab. So check this out. So here is the harness and it is completely destroyed, okay? And then here is a connector to the air conditioner that you can see mice have completely chewed the wires down to the connector. So completely destroyed this wiring harness on a 60 series combine. So just a tech tip of the day, guys. Hey, put some rat poison in your combines during storage over the winter months because we find a lot of damage from mice and rodents in these machines over the winter months, and they can do a tremendous amount of damage on a wiring harness, as you can see. Larry the Tractor Guy signing out. Hey guys, check out Larry the Tractor Guy videos here, other videos here, subscribe here, and buy all your John Deere parts here.
We'll make it work. I think
we're gonna have to make it
we'll make it work. Come on, let's go.
We need to make
you need some food.
Y'all already burned me out. We're sitting in the sun over here, man.